Welcome to this Study on Nature meditation experience. I invite you to take a few moments to settle into a space you feel safe, I invite you to open yourself up to your own creativity, your own innate creative power. I invite you to connect to the element of water. Let your awareness study water. Notice that water has no form or shape of its own, but it takes on the shape of the container that holds it. Notice how gravity guides its direction. The waters move and flow with ease, finding its natural course, going the path of least resistance. But waters also have the power to shape its course by the momentum in which it moves. Sense the creative power of water. Move your attention deeper in, drawing attention to the waters inside your own body. The rivers of blood flowing, the fluids inside, the water in each cell, the saliva in your mouth. Bring awareness to the waters inside the self. Allowing your awareness to be the container that holds attention to the nature within. The nature within that has no form of its own, but moves where there is least resistance. Repress and restrict nothing. Allow the experience to flow. Trust in the course, the journey. Let it move you in deeper, more inward. Trust in the nature of impermanence. Awareness holds space for the rivers, the currents of energies, the changing nature inside. Awareness itself flows from attention to form to attention to formless. Awareness is creative. Awareness is innate. Invite yourself to reflect on the nature of water, on this very experience. And taking a few moments to thank yourself for this time, for setting aside, for devoting some space to study on nature. Slowly, and only when you sense readiness, begin to withdraw from this practice. And allowing your attention and awareness to move towards other things.